technical service under 194J. It covers, it nowhere defines what is technical. What is the word technical? It says, okay, you refer to definition, explanation given under section 917. Okay, then there it defines technical service includes managerial, technical, and consulting. Then again, nowhere in the act it is defined. That's why you have to apply a doctrine called Nociter SSI. So the word technical is sandwiched between two words called managerial and consulting. Then each word will take color from the rest of the words. Each word will take color from the rest of the words. So what is common in managerial? What is common in consulting? Then human element is common in managerial, and okay, consulting also human element is involved. That's why only those payments where human element is involved, they are covered within the scope of 194J. Okay. Now coming to the present question, even though human element is involved, it is clearly clarified there. That's it. Okay. It is clearly clarified that yes, payment to electricians when you are affecting, instead of going for 194J, of course, you can take that opinion also. Okay. TDS will be attracted under 194C. Okay. Right. Then AMCs, that's why again in the AMC, again highly technical matters are involved. Then in such case 194J will be attracted. Otherwise you can escape your burden by simply deducting the rate of 2%, 194C, TDS on rent. What is its scope? All assessees except individual and HUF who are not tax audit assessees in the previous year, okay, who are responsible for paying any rent to a resident is covered within the scope of 194I. So what is the rate at which I need to deduct? TDS. Okay, TDS will be deducted in the case of plant and machinery or equipment. It will be attracted at the rate of 2%, and in any other case, it means in any other case which is covered under 194I. Okay, 194I covers only land, buildings or land and buildings, including factory buildings, furniture and fittings, plant and machinery. So plant and machinery you need to deduct at the rate of 2%, then all others, land, building and furniture and fittings at the rate of 10%. But remember, the plant word is very wide. Only land, buildings, furniture, fittings are covered at a higher rate of 10%. All others, okay, it is enough if you deduct at the rate of 2%, because plant includes ships, vehicles, okay, scientific apparatus, surgical equipment, and books. So plant definition is very wide. In all those cases, it is enough if you deduct at the rate of 2%. Now, see, there is a small difference between how to take the threshold limit for 194J purposes and 194I purposes. In the case of 194J, it covers royalty, technical services, professional services, etc., etc. Then, when I am paying royalty to the same person and fee for technical to the same person, assume that, because if it is covered under 916, it is called as royalty. If it is covered under 917, it is treated as fee for technical service. Then the threshold limit of the 30,000 is to be applied for each and every case separately. So 194J, it has two threshold limits. For each and every category covered under 194J, there is a separate threshold limit of 30,000. But in the case of 194I, it is not like that. If the aggregate of the payments payable to a single person is exceeding 1,80,000, I have taken land, I have taken building along with the furniture and fixtures. Okay, for land and buildings, say 1,50,000, and furniture and fixtures I am paying 40,000. So in aggregate, if you are paying to the same person, since they are exceeding the threshold limit of 1,80,000, TDS will be attracted.